Let us understand the function DSUM, which stands for database sum. Also we'll understand how the DSUM is different from SumIf or SumIfs. Also we'll understand how this DSUM function is easier compared to SumIf and SumIfs. Like SumIf and SumIfs, DSUM also supports multiple conditions. We don't need to write lengthy functions. We'll find it much easier than SumIf and SumIfs. Before we can apply the formulas, let us first define properly the names for each column. In Formulas tab, we have an option Create from Selection. Whatever names are available in the top row, those will be assigned to the values below that one. We can see here in the name box, invoice number is given to this range. Date name is assigned to this column, date column. Similarly, products column has the name product, and so on. To find out the total sales, I am applying the sum function here. Sum of amount column, I got this answer. Now based on the condition, I want to find out the total sales. So I am applying condition on East region to find out the sales amount. Similarly, for each region, I am finding out the total. These were for the product, these were for the region column. I'll now apply condition on products. Total laptop sales is this one. Similarly, for charger and bag, I could find out. Now I'll apply conditions on date column. I got the answer. SumIfs. To find out the laptop sales in East, I am applying SumIfs. Got the answer. Similarly, for laptop sales by Amar, I got an answer. So till now we applied sum function, SumIf function and SumIfs function. Let us see how this DSUM function is used. This is the database or the data table on which I'll be applying the sum function or DSUM function. It has three parameters in it. First parameter is the table that we need to select. I gave the name data table for this one. I need to find out sales amount. So this is the name, this is the column name of that table. Amount is a column name of this data table. For the condition, I am selecting this range, that is from A5 to F6. There is no condition applied as of now. So if I press enter, I'll be getting the total sum value. We can see the totals. Sum and DSUM right now is the same. This is the total sales. Because there is no condition applied, we are getting the total sale amount. I'll change the condition. I'm applying in the criteria range a condition where the region is East. I want to find out the sales amount where the region is East. I got this amount. if we compare, these two values are the same. As and when we change the condition in the region, the sum value is also getting updated. Compare it with West region sales. These are the North region sales. Yes, it is matching with SumIf function we applied. South region sales. Now let us try to apply a different condition. Let us now try the criteria where the product is laptop. Did you observe that the values match? For the bag also it is matching. The condition is on the date column right now. It is matching with SumIf where the value date is greater than 1st April 2019. We'll now apply multiple conditions. The condition is now on the product range and on the region. So SumIfs and this D count with multiple criteria is the same. DSUM is working for multiple criteria even. Laptop sales by Amar. Hope you understood that this DSUM function can replace sum, SumIf and SumIfs. It supports multiple conditions. Getting the totals is faster. Just in the criteria range, you need to type the condition and the values will automatically change. We don't need to write different functions in different cell. We don't need to write different functions in different cells. And the formula is very simple. Most of the times this can be replaced with sum, SumIf and SumIfs. Similar to DSUM function, we have dCount, dAverage, dGet. dCount counts the number of records in a table. dAverage provides average value of the field that we want. dGet will get the field value. It's similar to VLOOKUP. Let us try these three. I am applying dCount. If you observe, all the parameters are very similar to DSUM. There are 3 parameters again and the criteria range is the same. When we applied criteria on multiple conditions, that is product is laptop and salesperson is Amar, number of records it's showing is 4. To see those number of records, I'll apply advanced filter. Alt AQ is a shortcut for advanced filter. I'm selecting list range. I'll select the list range and the criteria range in this advanced filter option. After I click OK, it shows me those 4 records. So based on these 2 conditions where the product is laptop and salesperson is Amar, there are 4 records. This is how the dCount function will work. It shows the number of records in a table. dAverage function provides us average value of the field that we want. There is only one numeric column in this table, so I'll try to find out the average sales amount. This is the function dAverage and the same 3 parameters we have. we got the average sales amount based on where the product is laptop and salesperson is Amar. Let's try this dget function. Dget function gets you a value based on the condition. Here I want to find out the sales amount based on multiple criteria. The criteria here is person is Amar and the product is laptop. But here there are four such records. There are four such records with this condition. System will get confused as to which amount it has to retrieve. So it will give you an error. If there is only one such record, it can identify the proper amount and will get you the value. Let us try for the condition where the product is laptop, salesperson is Amar and the region is North. There is only one such record we can see here in this table. So if I apply the same condition to get the sales amount value, yes, system is able to get me the sales amount value because the number of records here is only 1. D count, if you observe, is also 1. The value in the generally the invoice number is unique. I am trying to get the sales amount based on the invoice number here. Because there is only one such record, we are able to find out the sales amount. I'll change the invoice number now. D count is 1. System is able to fetch that sales amount value. This is dget function which will get you the field value, which is similar to VLOOKUP. But in VLOOKUP it works only on the leftmost column. Here in dget, wherever the D count is 1, that means we can consider any criteria which gives us one single record. Dget is similar to VLOOKUP, but in VLOOKUP the condition can be applied only on the leftmost column of the table. Here in DSUM, whichever criteria gets you one single record, we can get the value based on multiple conditions. But these multiple conditions should fetch you one single record. So it is not only on the leftmost column we can apply dget. We can get a value based on multiple criteria even. We can apply condition on any column or columns which will fetch you one single record.